This is a quick tutorial on how to create your own meme coin and profit from it. I'll be using the LaunchTool website. I've left a link to it in the description. To begin, click Create Coin. The meme coin will be on the Solana network. In these fields, enter your meme coin's details. For example, I'll create a coin called YouTube. Pay attention to these 3 points. If you're using Phantom Wallet, you'll get a warning like mine. Phantom Wallet considers rug pulls unacceptable and therefore tries to prevent them. But we can still create the coin. Follow my steps. My meme coin is now created and can be traded on pump.fun and Radium. The advantage of LaunchTool is that it automatically distributes Solana to buy liquidity, creating the effect that your meme coin is being bought by real people. I withdrew all liquidity from the token, and I received 14 SOL. I started with 8 SOL, so my profit was $900. Subscribe and turn on notifications to get new ways to make money.